Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toydel online class. Today we want to look at area of sector. Area of sector. Let's say this is the center of the circle. This radius, the line from center to any part of the circumference. Then let's call this place A and let's call this point B. Of course, you can trace this the chord there. So if we remove this from this circle, that is 0 AB, we have RR. Then here is theta, the angle of the angle in between. Let's call it theta. If we remove this portion from this triangle, from this circle, we are going to have a sector. In a sector, we have a triangle and a segment. So how do we calculate the area of a sector? That is what we want to do. So the area of sector, as we have it on the model, sector AOB is given as theta 1 over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. That is the formula to find the area of sector. So if you are asked to find the area of sector, that is the formula that you apply. It's given as theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So that is the formula to find the area of sector. So we are going to take examples. Let's take two examples under area of sector. Let's take the first one, example 1. Let's take the first example. We have calculate the area of a sector. Calculate the area of a sector of a circle. Which subtends an angle of 45 degrees at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle of radius 14 centimeters. Okay? This is what we are given. That's what we are given. We have to find the area of sector. So what do we do here? We list out what we are given and what we are required to find. We have to calculate the area of sector. Area unknown. We know the angle theta as 45 degrees. We are also given the radius as what? 14 centimeters. So area of sector is given as theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. So here we have 45 degrees all over 360 degrees multiplied by pi is 22 over 7. Then r is 14. That's 14 times 14. So 7 here 1, 7 here is just 2. 45 reduces to 8. Then at the end of the day, we have 44 multiplied by 14 divided by 8. 4 here 11, 4 here is 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 7. At the end of the day, we got the area to be 7 centimeters squared. So that will be the area. That will be the area of the sector. We are able to find the area of the sector. And we got the answer as, we have gotten the answer as 77 centimeters squared. So let's take another example under area of sector. Let's take another example. See example 2. There we have an arc. An arc of a circle. An arc of a circle of radius 20 centimeters. Subtend an angle of 120 degrees at the center. At the center. At the center. The question now says that given pi is equal to 3.142. 142. Given pi is equal to this. Calculate the area calculate the area of the sector. Calculate the area of the sector correct to the nearest centimeters square. That is what we have to find. That's what we have to find. So how do we get that? Then we list out. That's the first step. We list out what we are given and what we are required to find. What are we given? That's the first thing we do. Let's list it out. An arc of a circle of radius 20 centimeters. The radius R is 20 centimeters. Then angle, we are given theta. Theta is 120 degrees. We are given theta as 120 degrees. We are given theta as 120 degrees. Then we are also given pi. We are given pi as 3.142. This is 120. Okay? So we want to find the area of sector. So area of sector by formula is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So here we have 120 degrees over 360 multiplied by pi is 3.142 multiplied by the area is 20 squared. That's what we are given. The area is 20 squared. So that here 1, here is 3. So that we have 3.142 multiplied by 20 times 20 is 400 divided by 3. Of course, 3 here 1, 3 here is 1. Dot, here is 0, here is 4, that's 8. So that at the end of the day, we are going to have 1. I can remove these two zeros and bring this decimal point forward. I want to 104.8 times 4. And if I do that, 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So this is what we are going to get. So if I do that, I'm permitted to do that. So I will have 104. I'm going to get 104. 104 times 7, that's what I'm going to get. 104 times 7. I'm going to get 104. 104. No, here is 7. This place is 7. This place is 7. What is wrong with this? Here is 7. That place is 7. So I will have, this is times 7. Here is 0.7. So 4 times 7 is 28. Dot. I'm left with 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus that 2. 16, that's 18. 4 times 0, this is 1, then 4. So this is approximately 419 centimeters square. Correct to the nearest centimeter square. So since I have 418.8, that is approximately 419 centimeters square. So the area of the sector is 419 centimeters square, correct to the nearest centimeters. So I would love to stop here because of our time. We'll continue from there in our next sector, in our next class. Thank you.